I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Dacia Logan second generation, produced from 2012 to 2020. This budget-friendly saloon has won hearts across the United Kingdom for its no-nonsense approach to motoring. Priced from around £4,000 for a used model in good condition, it offers incredible value, making it a go-to choice for families on a tight budget. However, like any car, it comes with its share of quirks that every potential owner should know about. Let us start with the positives to give a balanced view. The Dacia Logan boasts a spacious interior that comfortably seats 5 adults, with a boot that swallows up to 510 litres of luggage. Its simple mechanics mean low running costs, with fuel efficiency often hitting 50 miles per gallon on diesel variants. Reliability in the engine department is generally solid, especially with the Renault-sourced powertrains that power through daily commutes without much fuss. On the flip side, one of the most common complaints revolves around the suspension bushes. These components wear out prematurely, especially on British roads riddled with potholes, leading to a clunking noise and unstable handling. Owners report needing replacements as early as 30,000 miles, which can cost around £150 at a local garage. While this is not a deal-breaker, it does add to the maintenance tally for those who drive in urban areas. Rust is another Achilles heel for the Dacia Logan's second generation. The underbody and wheel arches are particularly prone to corrosion, exacerbated by the UK's salty winter roads and wet climate. Many drivers discover bubbling paint and weakened panels after just 5 years, requiring rust-proofing treatments that might set you back £200. Prevention is key here, so regular inspections and underbody washes can help mitigate this issue. Beyond rust and bushes, electrical gremlins occasionally pop up in these models. Faulty window regulators and intermittent dashboard lights are reported by owners, often linked to the car's basic build quality. Repairs are straightforward and inexpensive, typically under £100, but they can be annoying for tech-savvy drivers expecting more refinement. Still, the Logan's affordability makes these fixes less painful on the wallet. Engine-wise, the petrol units are peppy for city driving, delivering adequate power without guzzling fuel. Diesel options shine on motorways, offering torque that makes overtaking a breeze. However, some users note turbo failures in higher mileage diesels, which could cost up to £800 to sort out. Regular servicing every 12,000 miles helps keep these issues at bay. The gearbox in the Logan is generally robust, with smooth shifts in manual versions. Automatic transmissions, though rare in the UK, can suffer from hesitant changes if not maintained. Overall, transmission problems are infrequent, adding to the car's reputation for dependability in everyday use. This makes it ideal for new drivers, or those seeking hassle-free motoring. Interior quality is where the Logan shows its budget roots positively and negatively. The plastics are durable and easy to clean, perfect for families with kids or pets. However, they feel cheap and can rattle over bumps, which might irk those used to premium brands. Upgrading to higher trims adds nicer touches like air conditioning, enhancing comfort without breaking the bank. Braking systems perform adequately, with discs that provide confident stopping power. Some owners experience warped rotors after heavy use, leading to vibrations under braking. Replacement sets cost about £120, and fitting them yourself is feasible for DIY enthusiasts. This reliability in braking contributes to the Logan's strong safety ratings in Euro NCAP tests. Tire wear is another area to watch, as the soft suspension can lead to uneven tread patterns. Budget tires fitted from the factory exacerbate this, but switching to mid-range brands improves longevity. Expect to replace them every 20,000 miles, at around £80 per tire. This minor con is offset by the car's overall low cost of ownership. Fuel system issues are rare but can include clogged filters in older models. These cause sluggish performance and are fixed for under £50. The Logan's efficiency remains a highlight, often undercutting rivals like the Ford Fiesta in running costs. This makes it a smart pick for commuters watching their pennies. Exhaust problems occasionally arise, with catalytic converters failing emissions tests after 80,000 miles. Repairs hover around £300, but the system's simplicity keeps downtime minimal. Environmentally conscious drivers appreciate the Logan's compliance with Euro 5 and 6 standards. Pair this with its low insurance groups, and you have a wallet-friendly daily driver. Air conditioning units in the Logan are basic but effective in the UK's mild climate. Compressor failures are uncommon, though refrigerant leaks can occur, costing £100 to recharge. Higher spec models include climate control, which adds a touch of luxury to this economical machine. This feature enhances resale value slightly, appealing to second-hand buyers. Steering components hold up well, with power steering that feels light and responsive. Rack issues are reported in high-mileage examples, potentially needing a £400 fix. The Logan's handling is predictable, making it forgiving for novice drivers. This balance of ease and economy is a big plus for urban dwellers. Battery life is decent, lasting 3 to 4 years before needing replacement at £50. Alternator failures are sporadic, often tied to electrical overloads from aftermarket accessories. Keeping the system stock preserves reliability, which is a boon for those who value simplicity. The Logan's minimal electronics reduce the risk of costly faults. Paint quality is functional, resisting chips better than some pricier cars. However, fading on red and blue hues is noted in sunny exposures, though rare in the UK. A good wax job for £20 annually maintains the shine. This durability complements the car's rugged appeal for practical users. Windscreen wipers and washers work reliably, coping with British rain. Motor failures are inexpensive to fix at £30. Visibility remains excellent, thanks to large glass areas. This enhances safety, a key selling point for family-oriented buyers. Headlight bulbs blow occasionally, but LED upgrades for £40 improve brightness. The Logan's lighting is adequate for night driving on unlit roads. Fog lights add versatility in poor weather, boosting confidence in adverse conditions. These small wins make it a dependable all-rounder. Clutch wear in manuals is typical, lasting 50,000 miles before a £200 replacement. The Logan's light pedal feel reduces fatigue in traffic. Dual-mass flywheels can be a weak point in diesels, adding to costs if they fail. Yet, the smooth operation outweighs this for most owners. Cooling system reliability is good, with radiators that rarely leak. Thermostat issues might cause overheating, fixed for £80. Efficient cooling supports the engine's longevity. This reliability shines during long trips, where the Logan proves unflappable. Oil consumption is minimal in well-maintained units, though some petrol engines sip a bit more. Regular changes every 10,000 miles prevent sludge buildup. The low cost of parts keeps this aspect budget-friendly. Owners praise the ease of home maintenance, empowering DIY mechanics. Timing belt replacements are crucial at 60,000 miles, costing £300. Skipping this can lead to engine damage, a costly mistake. The Logan's straightforward design makes this job accessible at independent garages. This preventive care extends the car's life significantly. Turbochargers in diesel models are durable, but can fail from poor oil quality. Replacements run to £500, but symptoms like smoke are easy to spot early. Boosted performance is a joy on open roads. This power delivery suits those needing a versatile family hauler. Wheel bearings hum when worn, typically after 40,000 miles, at £100 per side. The Logan's robust hubs handle this well. Smooth rides post-repair enhance enjoyment. This maintenance is par for the course in budget motoring. Shock absorbers soften over time, leading to a bouncy ride. New sets for £200 restore handling. The suspension's simplicity aids quick fixes. Comfort levels improve noticeably, benefiting long-distance drivers. Door locks and handles are sturdy, resisting wear from frequent use. Electronic key fobs can drain batteries, a cheap £10 fix. Security is basic but effective against opportunists. This reliability adds peace of mind for urban parking. Fuel tank and lines are corrosion-resistant, unlike the body. Leaks are rare, ensuring safe operation. Capacity of 50 litres provides a decent range. Efficiency makes refueling less frequent, a practical advantage. Exhaust gas recirculation valves in diesels can clog, causing rough idling. Cleaning or replacement at £150 sorts it. Emissions stay low, aiding MOT passes. This eco-friendliness appeals to green-minded motorists. In conclusion, the Dacia Logan's second generation suits budget-conscious families, first-time buyers, or anyone needing a spacious, reliable runabout without frills. It excels for city commuting and occasional long hauls, but those seeking luxury or high-tech features might look elsewhere. Overall, its value proposition makes it a smart choice for practical UK drivers watching their spending. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.